Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino. Still drifting, just slightly higher, holding the rotation zone very nicely. Found some key resistance on the closing basis around our 112% GAN level projection, 76.67. So, above there, still the same levels as yesterday. Not much else to talk about. A major area we're still watching is right around the 79.50 area cluster up here. Let me go out to a daily chart. Here's the daily chart. So you see here holding still inside with yesterday's range. The key levels now 73.65 on any pullback. We have that support wedge right here and the rising rotation zone, and then still watching about 71.90 to 7200 as major support on the daily. I'm gonna bump this up right now. I'm gonna actually remove one of these. Getting just a little crowded in there. So now you can see up above we're watching 77.73 and then the 79.38 to 79.50. Then 8100 is our next major level. Taking a look at Ethereum, remember we also raised our stop. I talked about that in the video yesterday. Ethereum has formed a divergence, so keep an eye on this. See what, and I know we've highlighted this before. When you poke up, you can't reach to the next level, then you close back down. Still holding the rotation zone, but you can see the divergence. So higher high in price action, lower high. So if we can't get any traction and start breaking down, especially below about the 191 level, if you want to go conservative, you can go 190 level. Then I'm going to start watching for the bigger pullback, because then we've come off a divergence and lost the 4-hour rotation zone. Still same levels to the upside. There's no guarantee that this has to sell off. That's why we need confirmation by starting to pull back into the rotation zone, then breaking the rotation zone. Key resistance above 198 though. We're still watching 202 and then 206. Take a look at the daily chart. Here is your daily chart. So let me move these levels over a bit. I need to move them to the, we'll move them all the way to the right. Sorry, little mouse issue there. There we go. Sorry about that, everyone. Thanks for hanging in there with me. Also might look, if we did sell off on the 4-hour, which means we pull back on the daily, we have a higher high in price action and potentially a lower high in the RSI, so we could get a daily divergence also. So keep an eye out for that if we start pulling back. Key support on the daily we're watching is about 188. Then if we fell below that, we'd really focus on the 172.50 area. It's really a range about 170 to 173.50. Right around 172.50 is probably very key with the flat 200 and this little prior resistance shelf becoming support. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.